India in first quarter of 2024 were impacted by 500 million cyber attacks,
Hmm.
and next year it would be in trillions. How are we preparing at grassroots level?
Hmm.
The common आदमी को through initiatives, through education, how are we preparing them?
There are two angles to it, I
Hmm.
always feel, because I have been working in this field for very long. And मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि साइबर लगता नहीं, इट्स द फैक्ट दैट क्राइम प्रिवेंशन एक एंगल होता है,
Hmm.
एक होता है क्राइम डिटेक्शन, इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड देन
Correct.
प्रोसिक्यूशन.
Hmm.
देयर फोर एंगल्स टू एनी क्राइम सिनेरियो. तो रियल वर्ल्ड में प्रिवेंशन ऑफ क्राइम जो होता है, दैट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप, एंड दैट इज एज दे से प्रिवेंशन इज बेस्ट बेटर देन क्योर.
Right.
सबसे अच्छी चीज होती है क्राइम प्रिवेंट करना. एंड उसके लिए बहुत सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं.
Hmm.
Citizen himself herself is involved, the family is involved with that citizen, the community is involved, society is involved, police is involved, governments are involved. So there's a whole network of people who are involved in prevention of crime, including the person himself or
Who's
herself,
getting
right?
impacted by it?
Yes. So, but still there is crime, all types of crime. Now you come to the cyber world. I believe there is no other way to prevent crime in cyber world except the person's own awareness. Nobody
Okay.
can prevent crime on you in the
Hmm.
cyber world.
Hmm.
It is your own effort. And when will that happen? When you are aware and alert as a result.
Hmm.
If we are only picking up calls and giving information, if we are only accepting the wrong friend request, we ourselves are downloading wrong files and infecting our device by mistake.
Hmm.
If we are doing it ourselves, then who can prevent us from doing that?
Hmm.
Can one person sit with all the crores of people all the time and tell them, prevent them from doing these mistakes? There is
Practically
no such person.
possible
Not
नहीं है.
possible. If there is any system which can come between you and device, your device, and prevent these things from happening, again, it is not possible
Hmm.
because
आप प्राइवेसी ब्रीच बोलेंगे.
प्राइवेसी भी है. प्लस हाउ कैन यू प्रिवेंट फोन कॉल? मतलब देयर इज नो टेक्नोलॉजी एज ऑफ नाउ
Hmm.
दैट आपने फोन उठाया और आपको उधर से कोई आवाज आई कि ये फेक कॉल है, इसको मत रिप्लाई करो. या फिर एक फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट आया, तो देयर इज नो टेक्नोलॉजी अगेन विच कैन टेल यू दिस इज अ फेक प्रोफाइल. तो इट्स योर alertness, your awareness which will save you. Nobody can prevent cyber crime on anybody as of today.
Hmm.
It is your own awareness. So when that is the case, then you have to be vigilant all the time, and awareness comes with people. But I always say awareness is not only knowing things, कि आपको मालूम है तो आप जागरूक हो. आपको मालूम है तो उसको फिर आप जब यूज करोगे,
Hmm.
knowing and doing, that is awareness. So you have to do it yourself. तो आप जानकारी लोगे फिर उसको यूज करोगे. एंड लॉन्ग टर्म सोल्यूशन, दिस इज द शॉर्ट टर्म सोल्यूशन. जितने
Hmm.
लोगों तक आप जानकारी पहुंचा सको कि ऐसा मत करो, ऐसा होता है, ये अटैक वैसा होता है, that is the awareness angle. That is a one way of doing it at
Okay.
present. That's short term. I believe from the childhood they should be trained, the children school level.
करिकुलम में थोड़ा थोड़ा इंक्लूड
हाँ,
करना
there
चाहिए.
should be some kind of a input, may not compulsory नहीं, subject as an optional, but आपको पढ़ना है.
Hmm.
और उसमें आपको अगर बचपन से करेंगे, जिसको साइबर सिक्योरिटी एजुकेशन बोलते हैं, तो फिर आपको उसकी आदत पड़ जाएगी.
Hmm.
एंड देन यू विल बिकम बेटर नेटिजन्स
आपको
देन
डोंट्स पहले
सिटीजन्स.
ही पता होगा ये नहीं करना है.
Yes, and don't be do's be. Plus you'll become good netizens जैसे बोलते हैं, rather than
Hmm.
along with good citizens.
Hmm.
So ये बहुत जरूरी है long term solution for cyber security, because ultimately it's your own effort which will save you. Tomorrow some new technology comes which will itself design these things to secure you, then that's very good. But as of today नहीं है कोई तरीका other than your own awareness.
ओन अवेयरनेस.
Yes.